Yeah.
That is crazy.
Let's move down, dude. If you get wiped off these rocks, you're fucked.